Many believe only gas washers can handle tough grime, but electric models have advanced far beyond expectations. Hi, I'm a professional cleaning equipment specialist. I've tested dozens of pressure washers over the years. Most struggle with stubborn oil stains and old paint. Homeowners want power, safety, and easy operation. That's why I recommend the VEVOR electric pressure washer. Let's look at the science behind its performance. It delivers up to 2700 PSI and 1.8 GPM water flow. A robust 2000 watts motor powers through grease and debris. It's effective on patios, decks, RVs, and driveways. Safety is critical. This washer auto shuts above 105 degrees C. You get a 20-foot hose and 35-foot power cord. That means you clean large areas without moving outlets. A GFCI plug protects against electrical leakage. Metal inlet and outlet connections prevent water leaks. A hose hook keeps everything tangle-free and organized. 4 quick connect nozzles adapt to any cleaning task. Choose 15 degree, 25 degrees, or 40 degree spray angles instantly. A 500 ml foam cannon delivers thick, even coverage. The inlet filter reduces nozzle clogs and wear. This means less maintenance and longer lifespan. The hose is sturdy, wear-resistant, and explosion-proof. Tightly threaded connections ensure zero leaks. A pure copper spray gun connector adds durability. The compact PP body is lightweight and portable. Ergonomic handle and swivel wheels allow easy movement. A built-in nozzle holder keeps accessories secure. No more lost parts or messy storage. Now, let's see it in action. Watch as it removes years-old grime from concrete. Oil stains vanish in seconds with the 0 degree nozzle. Switch to 25 degrees for gentle deck cleaning. Foam cannon coats your car for a spotless shine. No leaks, no tangles, just powerful results. Cleanup is fast and storage is effortless. This washer is reliable for daily or seasonal use. It's ideal for homeowners, renters, and professionals. Get the lowest price, 2-day delivery, and 30-day returns. Don't settle for outdated, bulky gas washers. Upgrade to the VEVOR electric pressure washer today. Experience high-power cleaning with convenience and safety.